Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.